Hey, welcome everyone. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the Fire TV Stick 4K edition from Amazon, released originally in 2018, and it does have Smart Assistant built into the remote, so you can actually just press the button and you'll have commands available for you. So this model was released in 2018, but as of this video recording, it's still the only Fire Stick TV model that supports 4K. There was one released in 2020, but it only supports a max of 1080p. I have done a review on that. If you're interested to see that one instead, a link to that video review is in the video description, but the review of this 4K version, a link to that is also in the video description. So it'll be interesting to see how it performs, especially considering it's from almost 3 years ago in 2018. So be sure to check out the review, but for now, continuing on with the boxing, I'll just stick with the remote for now. Just getting that peel off. It's a really light remote. As I'm taking off the wrapper, it feels really light in the hand. Navigation and media control buttons are well within easy reach of one hand. So very simple remote, but it looks like it'll do the job just fine, which I'm pleased to see. This looks to be the actual media player itself. Really small, compact media stick. And I think it'll fit great in most home theater systems, hidden away, or heck, even your monitor, maybe connecting a computer monitor. But yeah, just very simple design. HDMI on one side, and I see a power port on the other side for micro USB, which is unfortunate. It's not USB-C. Not a big deal, but it's just something to keep in mind that everything should be USB-C nowadays. The batteries for the remote are two AAA batteries. They're Amazon Basics, which is not a surprise. You know, Amazon product, Amazon batteries, makes sense. Here's the power brick itself, in which one end of the USB cord will fit in here. So it's a USB-A fitting on the power brick, and on the media player itself, it's a micro USB port. So no USB-C, which is a little weird to see. So look at some of the documentation. So this one looks to be a quick start guide, as well as contents of the box itself, which, I mean, you're watching anyway through this video. And the other side looks to be in just a different language. Switching over to this other pamphlet, I'm not sure what this would be then, if that's quick start guide. Okay, so it looks like some commands that I can accept, as well as some recommended content from Prime Video services. The final documentation is most likely safety warranty information. Let's take a look. Yep, pretty much the usual boring stuff. So let's see what else we have in here. So I'm missing the power cord. So I'm just putting it along myself, kind of doing a rough estimate of measurement. It's 5 feet long, which is usually pretty standard for a home theater power cable, especially when it's USB based. That's just the norm nowadays, so should be hopefully enough for most people's setup. And we have one other item I almost missed, and it looks to be an HDMI extender, which is great. Just connecting it here. It's because if some people have their TV mounted, or they have a lot of cables in the way, and the Fire Stick TV might not fit properly, having a extension wire that's flexible is a great option, just in case you need it. But that's pretty much it, the unboxing. Again, the link to the review is in the video description. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.